可以让大家飞人来！You're brainless, you're stupid, you're no child of mine!
Mommy, where are you? I don't like being on my own.
Magandang araw sa lahat ng nakikinig. Welcome to another episode of our podcast. I am Saibel.
And I'm Jehu. Today is different. Mas seryoso, mas malalim at mas totoo.
Tatalakayin natin ang isang isyong madalas hindi napapansin. Children's mental health. Lalo na kapag sila mismo ay napapabayaan, nabubuli o hindi pinakikinggan sa loob ng sariling mga bahay.
At hindi lang kami ang magsasalita ngayon. May kasama tayong special guest. Someone brave enough to share her experience. Please welcome Kat.
Magandang araw sa inyo. Thank you for having me. Hopefully, sa kwento ko, may matutunan at may magising.
Bago tayo pumasok sa kwento ni Kat, gusto lang naming i-connect ang episode na to sa reality. Recently, may balita tungkol sa isang batang nag-attempt mag-self-harm dahil sa bullying at emotional neglect. Hindi siya pinakinggan, hindi ng school at hindi ng magulang.
At ang nakakatakot, hindi ito isolated case. Maraming kabataan ang dumaraan sa ganun. Tahimik lang. Kat, kung komportable ka, pwede mo bang ikwento kung ano yung naging experience mo growing up?
Sure. Growing up, I thought normal lang na hindi pinapansin ang feelings ko. Kapag malungkot ako, sinasabi lang na arte mo yan, magpakatatag ka, walang batang nai-stress. Pero every night, umiiyak ako. Hindi ko alam kung bakit ganon kabigat. At sa school naman, binubuli ako. Tinatawag akong weak, weird, dramatic.
Did you ever try telling someone?
Yes. Pero the moment I opened up, the response was always, hindi seryoso yan, nag-iinarte ka lang. So I stopped talking, and when a child stops talking, dangerous yun.
That's the saddest part. When kids decide to stay silent kasi wala silang ligtas na lugar.
Exactly. Pakiramdam ko noon wala akong halaga. As if wala namang mamimiss kung mawala ako.
This is why invalidation is harmful. Hindi mo kailangan suntukin ang bata para masaktan siya. Minsan, isang salita lang, ubos na ang self-worth niya.
And people think mental health issues are adult problems. But no, kids feel deeply. Kids overthink, kids break too.
And the worst thing you can do to a struggling kid is make them feel overacting.
So ano ang pwede nating gawin? Simple pero impactful.
Una, listen. Really listen. Walang judgment, walang pangmamaliit.
Pangalawa, validate their feelings kahit hindi mo gets, kahit maliit. Tignan mo, malaking bagay sa kanila yon.
Pangatlo, create safe spaces in homes and schools. Counseling, check-ins, open conversations.
And pinaka-importante, believing kids when they say they are hurting.
Kung may batang nakikinig ngayon, I want to tell you this. Your feelings are real, your pain is valid, and your life matters, sobra.
Let's build a world where children don't have to hide their pain just to survive.
Be kind, be aware, and always choose to listen. Ako si Jehu.
Ako si Saibel.
And I'm Kat. Thank you for listening.